Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. Are you feeling stuck in your life? Are you struggling to achieve financial abundance and success? Perhaps you have heard of the power of numerology and the role it can play in attracting wealth and prosperity. Numerology is an ancient practice that has been used for centuries to understand the mystical and symbolic meanings of numbers. One of the most interesting aspects of numerology is its association with money and prosperity. In this video, we will explore the power of the number 8, 3, 6, and 9 in attracting abundance and prosperity into your life. But that's not all. We will also delve into the Grabovoi method, a holistic approach to healing and self-improvement based on mathematical formula and spiritual techniques, and I will give you one of my personal manifestation methods that works for me every time. So, get ready to tap into the infinite potential of the universe and manifest your financial dreams. Numerology is an ancient practice that has been used for centuries to understand the mystical and symbolic meanings of numbers. In recent years, it has gained popularity as a tool for personal growth and self-discovery. One of the most interesting aspects of numerology is its association with money and prosperity. In this video, we will explore how the number 8 can be used to attract wealth and abundance into your life. According to numerology, the number 8 is considered the most powerful number for manifesting financial abundance. This is because the number 8 represents infinity and success, as well as the ability to overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. It is often called the money number because of its association with wealth and prosperity. To use the power of the number 8 to attract money, there are several things you can do. One of the most common ways is to incorporate the number 8 into your life in various ways. For example, you can choose a phone number or address that includes the number 8. This will help to align your energy with the energy of the number 8, making it easier to attract wealth and abundance. Another way to use the number 8 is to include it in your bank account number. This can be especially powerful because it creates a direct connection between your money and the energy of the number 8. As you see your bank balance growing, you will also be reinforcing your belief in the power of the number 8 to attract prosperity. In addition to incorporating the number 8 into your life, there are other things you can do to align yourself with its energy. One of the most important is to focus on abundance and success in your thoughts and actions. This means visualizing yourself as already wealthy and successful, and taking action towards achieving your financial goals. You can also use affirmations and visualization techniques to reinforce your belief in the power of the number 8 to attract money. For example, you can repeat affirmations such as "I am abundant and successful," or "I attract wealth and prosperity into my life." You will also find daily affirmations on the Community tab. Visualizing yourself surrounded by wealth and abundance can also be a powerful tool for manifesting financial success. So, numerology is a fascinating practice that can help you align yourself with the energy of the universe and attract abundance and prosperity into your life. By using the power of the number 8, you can tap into the infinite potential of the universe and manifest your financial dreams. So go ahead and incorporate the number 8 into your life. Focus on abundance and success, and watch as your financial situation begins to change for the better. Talking about numbers, I have to mention Grigory Grabovoi. Grigory Grabovoi is a Russian mathematician and scientist who has developed a system of teachings and practices known as the Grabovoi method. He was born on November 14, 1963, in the region of Kazakhstan, then part of the Soviet Union. Grabovoi's work is based on the concept that everything in the universe, including humans, is composed of energy, and that this energy can be manipulated and controlled using mathematical formulas and spiritual techniques. He believes that all human illnesses and problems can be solved using his methods, which involve visualizations, affirmations, and specific sequences of numbers. Grabovoi has authored several books and courses on his teachings, including The Practice of Control and Methods of Achieving the Goal. He has also founded the International Academy of Teaching and Training in Moscow, which offers courses and workshops on the Grabovoi method. Grabovoi's teachings have gained a following among people seeking alternative and holistic approaches to healing and self-improvement. However, his methods and claims have also been met with skepticism and criticism from some in the scientific and medical communities. If you still want to try Grabovoi method, listen carefully. In the Grabovoi method, there are many different sequences of numbers that can be used to attract money, abundance, and prosperity. However, there is not a specific number or sequence of numbers that is universally recognized as the best for this purpose. Some of the numbers that are commonly associated with attracting money and prosperity in the Grabovoi method include 318, 798. This sequence is said to help increase wealth and abundance in all areas of life, including finances, relationships, and health. 520. This number is associated with financial success and prosperity, as well as with attracting love and positive energy. 741. This number is said to help clear financial blockages and attract abundance and prosperity. 888. This number is considered a powerful symbol of infinity and prosperity and is often used to attract financial abundance. It is important to note that while these numbers may be helpful in attracting money and prosperity, they should be used in conjunction with other practices such as visualization, affirmations, and positive action towards achieving your goals. It is also important to consult with a qualified practitioner of the grab-away method or other holistic healing practices before using these numbers, as their use can vary based on individual circumstances and needs. In numerology, certain numbers hold significance and are believed to be associated with particular traits or qualities. Among these numbers is the number 3, which is said to be associated with creativity and innovation. According to numerology, tapping into the power of this number can help attract money and prosperity. To harness the power of the number 3, one approach is to brainstorm 3 new business ideas. This exercise can help generate fresh and innovative ideas for new ventures, products, or services that could bring in revenue. It can also be an opportunity to explore different industries or niches and find new ways to leverage one's skills and expertise. Another way to use the power of the number 3 is to come up with 3 different ways to increase one's income. This could involve exploring new opportunities, such as freelancing or consulting, or finding ways to add value in one's current role or business. By taking a creative and innovative approach, one may be able to find new sources of income and increase their overall financial prosperity. If you want to learn more about numerology and manifestation techniques that actually work, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Now, the power of the number the third of may also be harnessed by incorporating it into one's daily routine or rituals. For example, repeating a positive affirmation 3 times in the morning or visualizing success in a particular venture for 3 minutes each day may help bring in abundance and prosperity. In addition to these specific approaches, it is important to cultivate a mindset of creativity and innovation when it comes to attracting money and prosperity. This may involve taking risks, being open to new opportunities, and constantly seeking out ways to learn and grow. By tapping into the power of the number 3 and cultivating a creative and innovative mindset, one may be able to attract abundance and prosperity into their life. Numerology is an ancient practice that uses numbers to understand the world and the people in it. The idea is that each number has a specific vibration, and this vibration can affect the people and events around it. In numerology, there are certain numbers that are believed to be associated with money and prosperity. By understanding and harnessing the power of these numbers, individuals can attract more money into their lives and increase their wealth. One of the most powerful numbers for attracting money in numerology is the number 6. People who fall under this number are said to have the most luck when it comes to monetary wealth. They are likely to receive a large sum of money through inheritance or other means and will never experience a shortage of funds. Those who have the number 6 in their numerology chart are likely to have a very comfortable life financially. However, it is important for people with the number 6 to control their expenses and make decisions rationally. Their thirst for luxury and extravagance can cause problems in the future if not kept in check. Instead of indulging in unnecessary expenses, those with the number 6 should focus on saving and investing their money wisely. By making responsible financial decisions, they can ensure long-term prosperity and security. In addition to controlling expenses, there are other ways that those with the number 6 can attract money and increase their wealth. According to numerology, eating sweets on Thursdays can bring fortune and luck. By incorporating this simple ritual into their lives, people with the number 6 can increase their chances of attracting money and prosperity. Overall, numerology provides a fascinating perspective on the power of numbers and their impact on our lives. By understanding and harnessing the power of the number 6, individuals can attract more money into their lives and increase their wealth. However, it is important to remember that financial success also requires responsible decision-making and a focus on long-term goals. With the right mindset and a little bit of numerological wisdom, anyone can achieve financial success and prosperity. Numerology, the study of numbers and their significance, has long been used as a tool for personal growth and self-discovery. In addition, numerology has also been used to attract money and prosperity. Another number associated with prosperity is the number 9. This number is considered a lucky number in many cultures and is believed to bring good fortune. To attract money using the number 9, there are a few things you can do. One way is to wear a bracelet or necklace with 9 beads or to carry 9 coins in your wallet. This will help to align your energy with the energy of the number 9, which is associated with prosperity and good luck. Additionally, writing a check for a multiple of 9 is another way to use this number to attract money. For example, if you need to pay a bill of $50, you could write a check for $99 instead. In addition to using these specific numbers, there are other ways to use numerology to attract money. One way is to use numerology to determine the best times to make financial decisions or investments. By calculating your personal year number and using that to guide your financial choices, you can increase your chances of success and attract more money into your life. You can also use numerology to set financial goals and make plans for the future. Numerology can be a powerful tool for attracting money and prosperity. By using the numbers 8, 3, 6, and 9 and creating a balanced and harmonious environment, you can align your energy with the energy of prosperity. Additionally, using numerology to guide your financial decisions and set financial goals can help you attract more money and create a more abundant and prosperous life. My personal manifestation method starts with a different approach. I'm a believer and I usually start with seeking forgiveness. Believe it or not, but this manifestation technique works for me every time. There is only one source, which is the Most High. Some call it God, some call it the universe. Seeking forgiveness is an important aspect of my faith as it helps me to maintain a strong connection with the Most High and to constantly strive for self-improvement. I believe that every human being is prone to making mistakes and committing sins, and seeking forgiveness is a way to cleanse oneself of these wrongdoings and to seek redemption. I believe that forgiveness is sought directly from the Most High through the act of sincere repentance. This involves recognizing and acknowledging the wrongdoing, feeling remorse and regret for it, and making a firm commitment to avoid repeating the same mistake in the future. Seeking forgiveness also involves making amends or restitution for any harm caused by the wrongdoing, if possible. Through seeking forgiveness, I believe we can receive mercy and blessings. Those blessings come from unexpected sources. I have so many examples. It's one part of my manifestation technique. If you want to learn more about this, just let me know in the comments below. It is also believed that seeking forgiveness can bring peace of mind and inner tranquility, as it frees you from the burden of guilt and wrongdoing. I do not seek forgiveness only because of the money. It's just a nice side effect, to be honest. Seeking forgiveness is an important aspect of interpersonal relationships. You are encouraged to seek forgiveness from others when you have wronged them, and to forgive others who have wronged you in return. This fosters a culture of compassion, forgiveness, and reconciliation, and helps to strengthen social bonds and promote a more harmonious community. If you only do this one thing, you will receive money, wealth, and prosperity faster than ever. Also remember, seeking forgiveness has always come from the bottom of your heart. Now, dear friend, pay close attention. If you're looking to attract money through spiritual practices, I want to remind you that abundance is your birthright. It's important to remember that money is simply energy, and by aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with abundance, you can attract more of it into your life. Start by cultivating a mindset of gratitude and abundance. Practice daily affirmations that reinforce your belief in the abundance that surrounds you, and focus on the positive aspects of your life. Seek forgiveness and remember that you are worthy of wealth and abundance, and that you have the power to attract it into your life. Along with these practices, it's important to take action towards your goals. Look for opportunities to invest your time and energy into projects that align with your values and aspirations. Take calculated risks and step out of your comfort zone, knowing that with the right mindset and effort, you can achieve your financial goals. Remember, attracting money through spiritual practices is not about getting rich quick or bypassing hard work. It's about aligning your energy with abundance and taking inspired action towards your goals. Keep faith in yourself and the universe, and trust that you are on the path to financial abundance. Be open to receive, and I hope to see you in my future.